Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify category Metafields to list product variations. This feature helps you organize product attributes consistently across your store, making it easier to manage inventory and display options to customers in a structured way. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. On the left side of your dashboard, locate and click on Products. This section is where you'll manage all your product listings, from adding new items to editing existing ones. It's the central hub for your inventory management. Now, in the upper right corner of the Products page, click Add Product. This button opens up a blank product form where you can input all the details for your new listing. For this example, we're going to create a t-shirt product to demonstrate how category Metafields work with variations. In the title field, type something like t-shirt. This is what customers will see as the main product name, so keep it clear and descriptive. Next, look for the category field and input t-shirt, then select clothing tops from the drop-down options. Choosing the right category is important because it determines which Metafields will be available for this product. Now, input a price, for example, $5. This sets the base price for your product, though individual variants can have different prices if needed. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Category Metafields. This is where the magic happens. Category Metafields allow you to define attributes that are specific to your product category, ensuring consistency across similar items. For this t-shirt example, let's add two attributes, size and color. In the size field, input options like large, medium, and small. Then, in the color field, add options such as black, clear, and pink. These Metafields create a structured list of attributes that you can connect to your product variants. Next, navigate to the Variants section and click Add Options. Here's where you'll link your variants to those category Metafields. Click on Size and you'll notice a Metafield icon appears. Make sure this icon is enabled so your size variants are directly connected to the category Metafield you just created. This connection ensures your variant options stay organized and consistent. Now let's add another variant option. Click to add another option and input colors. This creates a second dimension of variation for your product, allowing customers to choose both size and color combinations. Once you've set up all your variants and confirmed they're connected to the category Metafields, click Save at the top of the page. Shopify will process all the information and create your product with properly structured variations. And that's how you use Shopify category Metafields to organize and list product variations efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.